Sorry to interrupt.
No.
Look, I'm sorry to interrupt your snack, but we gotta go.
I'm sorry to interrupt you, but we need you. It's an emergency.
Sorry to interrupt, but it's time to get changed for your interview.
I'm sorry to interrupt, guys, but I couldn't help but overhear your conversation.
I'm sorry to interrupt your honeymoon. We had a fire in the main server room this morning.
Was anyone injured?
No.
Sorry to interrupt. Thank you for the coffee and the memories.
Come back anytime.
Hey, sorry to interrupt.
I told you no distractions, didn't I?
Sorry. Sorry to interrupt everybody's assembled, sir.
Sorry to interrupt whatever is happening. La, the guys are waiting outside. We gotta go. Come on.
Excuse me, I'm sorry to interrupt.
Sir.
Angel, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, baby.
What the hell is this?
I'm sorry to interrupt. It's just she's dancing. Mrs. Travers, she's dancing with Dawn.
I'm sorry to interrupt your spa, but Miranda's agent, Lance Wallace, wants to see you right away.
Excuse me, I'm sorry to interrupt, but this is kind of important.
Okay. Go to the bathroom.
I'm sorry to interrupt, but I just have to ask you, have we met somewhere before? You know, you look really familiar to me.
Sorry to interrupt. I just thought you all should know this. Chuck Sherman is a liar. I never had sex with him.
I'm sorry to interrupt you, but I'm having a bit of a problem.
What's the problem?
Some sort of creature has just swum up my pants.